Welcome. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to disable dark mode on Google Chrome. If you find the dark theme isn't to your liking or it causes eye strain, switching back to the light mode is simple and quick. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once the browser is open, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You will see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu that contains various options. Next, scroll down to find Settings. Click on this option to access Chrome's Settings page. This page allows you to customize many aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section. You may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Under Appearance, you will see various options related to how Chrome looks. Now enter the Theme settings. Here, you will find options for different themes that can be applied to your browser. To disable dark mode, simply select the option labeled Light. This will change your browsing experience back to a brighter interface. Finally, after selecting Light, you can close the Settings tab. Your changes will take effect immediately, and you should now see that dark mode has been successfully disabled in Google Chrome. And there you have it. You've easily switched from dark mode back to light mode in just a few simple steps. If you ever want to switch back or try out other themes, just follow these same steps again. Enjoy your browsing experience with a theme that suits you better. Thank you for watching and happy surfing.